Assalamu alaikum. How are you, friends? Hopefully all of you are fine. Today is the lecture number 25, which is related to the CST, a very important tool that today I am discussing. Now moving toward the CST studio without wasting any time. Now before pursuing the lecture, it is requested to all of you that kindly subscribe the channel first and then also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the videos related to the technical or antennas, you can receive with the help of a notification. As you saw in your video, this is actually a ultra wideband simple patch antenna. This is his design. Now in this video I will actually tell you that how to increase the number of the size of the antenna. Also we can increase the quantity of the antenna from this single antenna. It means that in this video I will tell you how to scale up the antenna, how to copy the antenna, how to translate the antenna. All this is happen only if we do the following steps. First step is that we have to increase the first width of the substrate. Suppose it is at 20 mm and we take it as a 80 mm, and when you press F7 you can clearly saw that the width of this ultra wideband patch antenna substrate increases. When it increases, it look like as. And now after this, that we have a very important command. Before applying the command, we have to select the inset feed, the main point, which showing actually the antenna. Now moving toward the main diagram, as your cursor you saw that in the center of this antenna. Now we have to press the right click of your mouse button, and we have a lot of different functions, but we have to consider this function known as a transform function. This is actually a transform function. In the transform function we have actually two modes. First of all, these are the operations, and these are the copy, unite, use pick point, and invert translation vectors. Not in the operation we have a translate, which is a simple command. This is actually a scale. If you want to scale up this, you can say that this antenna, you have to scale up this. Suppose the scaling factor is 1 and the repetition factor is 1. We can scale it as with the, you can say that with the 3, suppose, and it clearly saw that the size of the antenna is scaled up. It means that it is bigger. Now if we reduce, we have to again write it as a 1 and use the command of preview. Now it look as an original thing. Now after scaling, we have to use another command known as a rotate command. This is actually a rotate command which usually tell us that on what angle you have to invert this antenna. And for the mirror image, we have to take the mirror image of one antenna toward the others. Now before going toward the copy, first of all we have to select a translate button, and after translating we have to select the copy button. In the copy button, now we have a two thing. One thing is a repetition factor. Suppose we want to take the two patch antenna in the left side and two antenna at the right side. Therefore we have to increase the repetition factor up to 2, and you can take that as a translation vector as a -25, suppose. And you can clearly watch that in the preview section there are two antennas are also here. Now after that we have to show that we have to press the OK button, and after press OK, the three different antennas are appeared and this side. After appearing from that side, we can clearly watch that we have a 3 folders appeared. One is inset feed 1, other is feed 1, other is feed 2. Now you can clearly observe that the inset feed is actually this antenna, feed 1 is this antenna, and simple feed is original antenna. Now if you want to increase the, you can say that the quantity of the antenna in the right side, you simply press insert feed, and after pressing insert feed, the right click of the mouse and then transform again, and in the transform we have again used the command of the copy. Now we take it as a x-axis positive 25 rather than -25, and make a repetition factor of the 2, and preview, make a decision or shown that the antenna, two antennas are also copy, replica are also inserted here. Now it is clearly shown that we have a patch antenna with a quantity of the 5. Okay, this is the quantity of actually a 5 antenna. Now if we clearly saw that there is a single port is actually connected here. However, if we connect the port in the antenna number 1, then antenna number 2, at the antenna number 4, at antenna number 5, this antenna usually converted from a single patch antenna into the MIMO antenna with having a multiple input and multiple outputs. You can clearly saw this in this video, that how I use the command of transform, and in the transform how I use the function of the copy. After performing this function of the copy, we convert, or you can say that I convert the single antenna into the MIMO antenna, which is a very fruitful. However, you can also increase the size of the antenna, or you can say that the scale of the antenna, which can be done with the help of this function known as a scale function. You can clearly use this function with the help of a scale factor, which is, if we take it as a 4, you can clearly saw that the scale of the antenna is increased. However, the dimensions may be disturbed for the width of the substrate or the length of the substrate. However, you have to follow the rules that all the antennas should be synchronized with each others, or we take it as a scaling factor of the 1, as you saw in the previous. Now make it as a cancel. Hopefully in this video you clearly saw that what I will do, what I do here. Actually, I take a single antenna and convert it into the MIMO antenna with the help of the command. Which command? This is the command we known as a transform command, with having a translate and having a copy functions. If I press, one thing you have to clear, that before using this command of the transform, you have to select the specific antenna. If you select whole component 1, it means that you have to use the command transform with copy. In the copy command, it actually copy whole this substrate along with the 5 antennas. However, if you select a single antenna like that, like that, like that, and like that, if you command used here, the only selected antenna will provide the copy or the replica of this antenna, how much you want for your design requirement. Hopefully in this video you clearly know how to use the function of the transform, how to copy, how to mirror, how to scale up the antenna. If you learn something, press the like button of this video and also share with your friends. Thank you.